This is a tricky one, huh?
Yeah.
Is it possible to make 3 equal parts?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Did you got your solution, Benito?
Yes.
Okay.
I hope I got it right.
That's okay.
And really?
Okay.
Jeremiah.
You ready to make your attempt? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me your try. It's okay. Show it. Okay, Benito, is that 3 equal parts? Well, Jeremiah, what did you draw? 2 equal parts, right? Good.
Mm-hmm.
Here now, you got one hole. Try. So what's one way to do it? Maybe it's not possible. What about if I do this? Sometimes I get a little tricky.
Hey, you're making a shape.
Do you think they're equal share?
Yeah.
Kind of, right? I think if I have to move this down there, though, it probably would. Okay. Oh, close. Okay, let's
You made a flat primate.
Yeah. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and on your whiteboard, you can use any shapes you like and show me a shape with thirds, a shape with half, and a shape with fourths. And you're going to have to label them and show me the share, okay? So you have thirds, halves, and fourths. And remember, your job is you can divide shapes into equal share and label them, okay? So you can choose any shape. You can use all shape as a circle. And then be ready to explain. So draw the shape, divide them, and then label them.
Already has 5 equal corners and shapes with us, so don't try to make another one smaller than what I already have.
If you finish with that, try different shapes for me, okay? So if I have a circle, I can do how can you do thirds? How can you do halves? How can you do fourths? Or you can pick all 3 different shapes and label them differently. But make sure you make the equal share first, okay?
Can you do fifths?
Mm-hmm. Oh, no, we're only doing thirds, half, and fourths for today, okay? And when you're ready, just go ahead and hold your thumbs up, and I know that you're ready.
Where you at? Whiteboard, and you're gonna draw a small picture.
So, Alan, you have a shape that have thirds, and a shape that have halves, and a shape that have fourths. So you need 3 different shapes, right? You have 3 different shapes. Okay.
All 3 of them.
Okay. Mickey, are you on at least the second shape? Okay. Okay, Alan is ready. I see her thumbs up. Benito is ready. I see his thumbs up. Ready for it?
Say hi, Miss Din.
Oh, there's another Miss Din. Hi. Hannah's ready.
There's 2 Miss in our class.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Benito. Which shape did you choose?
I choose the triangle, a heart, and a circle.
Okay, so in the triangle, what do you divide it into?
I divide it into 3.
Okay, how do you do it?
I put the same thing you did. I made a little zip line. and then I made that little curve.
Okay. Can you do? Okay. And in the circle, what shape do you do?
I did 4.
Okay. How do you?
I did the plus in it.
Oh, you make a plus sign. Let me try it. Okay. And then you label it what? You did this.
Yeah, and then do this, make a little cross.
Like that.
Yeah, that.
And what would you label this shape?
The label of the shape would be 4s.
And why?
Because it has 4 equal shares.
Very good. Okay. Did anyone pick a square?
No, I didn't pick a square.
Adeline, what do you use the square for? How do you divide your square up?
At least I'm stuck.
I can't hear you, Adeline. Can you speak louder?
What's the plus?
A plus sign. So you did one down and one across. And so what does that call? What would you label this shape? Would it be 4, thirds, or halves? One finger for half, 2 finger for thirds, and 3 finger for fourths. Which one? Alan, how many equal parts do you have? Can someone help Adeline know how many equal parts does she have? If she draws this shape. Does everyone see Adeline's shape? I drew up here, right here. What would you call this shape if you have to label it in what is it, Jeremiah P? What would you label this part right here? Would it be 4, thirds, or halves? 4. So that would be the same as the circle. It's just different shape, right? Did anyone do the triangle?
Yes.
Okay, who did triangle? Mikael, do you do a triangle?
Yes.
Okay, how do you divide your triangle up?
On that.
Is there any way you can divide them in half?
The triangle. You can make the flat prism again.
Oh, you can do the thirds, but if I want to do it halves, where would I do it?
Right down the middle.
Right down in the middle. Would that be halves?
Yeah.
Yes, that would be halves. So I'm going to go ahead and move my halves over. Okay. Did anyone do thirds? So I still have one more that I need to do thirds. Okay.
Yeah, I did thirds.
Hannah, what do you do for thirds? What shape do you use?
A hexagon.
A hexagon. Okay. A hexagon? I didn't have any hexagon here. Now you're making my... Okay, I have to find hexagon. And hexagon has how many sides? 6. So I'm going to have to draw 1. Oops.
I've been focusing on my math very well
1.
all week long.
Good job.
That's how
2,
I know very well.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now how do you do thirds? Go ahead and show me your work. Ah, okay, let me try it. And you got, wait, I'm looking. Can you describe it for me? So you go 1 down here in the middle and down here like that. Does it look like equal parts? Is that what you did on your screen?
Sure.
It's
Sure,
okay.
you did.
Oh yeah, you did. Okay, so you move it a little bit to the... Okay, so you move this one over a little bit more. Like that. And like Like that. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Excellent job, guys. Okay.